and welcome back to another travel vlog. So we are here in Ortiz Wharf in Iloilo City, going to Jordan Pier in Guimaras. So stay tuned for our Guimaras adventure.
A few minutes later.
So guys, after 15 minutes boat ride from Ortiz Wharf, we now arrive in Jordan Pier in Guimaras. The fare is 22 pesos and the tricycle tour is 1,500. Stop for our Guimaras trip is capital. Yung capital is nasa likod ng word na Guimaras. Iyon, renovate. So, dito picture kami. So, Guimaras. Ito yung area, parang maliit na plaza. Our Guimaras adventure is the mango plantation. So many mango trees.
Rider nyo, riding in tandem. Riding in tandem yung bagong kurso. Riding in tandem kahit hindi nag-eskwela.
Huh?
Later.
Our third stop is Trappist Monastery here in Jordan. So we are here in Trappist shop where you can buy different souvenirs, delicacies, mango delicacies, and different souvenirs like ref magnet, native bag. So when you're here in Guimaras, you stop here at Trappist shop near the Trappist Monastery. So this is the store. Is the lighthouse, our fourth stop in Guimaras. And this is the view. There's no entrance fee. In 1857, the general plan for fighting marine cause in the Philippines
was drafted and implemented by corps of engineers for roads, canals, and ports. The Gisi Lighthouse, Faro de Punta Luzaran, is the second biggest lighthouse in the Philippines, rated up for the first time in 18...
One eternity later.
Wait. So this is the lighthouse. Gisi Lighthouse, the ruins.
Okay, ito yung maganda. Oh.
Kaya kami rin.
Ito mas maganda.
Yung tour guide namin wala. Yung tour guide namin / driver wala.
Diri ko ba? Mo picture. Diri ko.
Oh, that's the lighthouse.
Ano na sa likod kay makita mo din.
Ginadili ang pagsaka kay delikado. Guys, we're having a picture taking here at Gisi Lighthouse.
Pakita na ko. Shot. Balin. Balik ka rin. Gawa ka rin. Balik rin.
Masusulira kay dagang take. 10 takes. Painit.
Balin. Rin, gawa. Di ka rin. Kadali rin ha. Naalay tapos. Ay, nakari kisuk. May naapil. Ha? Balik. Naapil ka din. Balin rin.
Dagan?
Balin rin. Sus, gatot. Yung kamaw na sa jam.
Okay, so today we are here in San Lorenzo Windmill in Guimaras. Feels like I'm in Ilocos. Nasa day windmill din. So this is my first time here. For windmill.
Well, 2 hours. Later.
Harrow Church and the bell tower.
2 hours later.
One hour later!
What's up everyone? It's me, Jana Turangay, and I'm here in Iloilo International Airport. Our Panay adventure has just ended. We will be going back to Cebu City, and tomorrow we will be back to reality, working day tomorrow. So recently we went to Guimaras Island and have a land tour, and we went back to here in Iloilo and we prepared our things and rushed to the airport. So guys, thank you for watching my vlogs, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new videos. So guys, see you on my next travel vlog. Bye!
Later that same evening.
So we are now boarding, and this is my first time to ride Philippine Airlines back to Cebu. See you in a bit, Cebu.